Welcome to the Matsuura channel. I'm Yamashita from Matsuura MAM72. Today a press release of a new model is being held at the Matsuura headquarters in Japan. Now, let me present you this press release. This is the new MAM72-42V PC32. This model has the same palette as the best-selling MAM72-35V. However, the new model is equipped with the newly developed palette tower that increases the maximum workpiece diameter from 350mm to 420mm. Furthermore, the floor space is almost the same as the MAM72-35V. Next is the MX303, which has undergone a model change. The model change has to reduce the cycle time by increasing the speed of 4 and 5 axes and reducing the processing time of each component. And in new function, a new operation system and current management system were released. For more information on the new model and function, please visit the Matsuura website. Thank you for watching.